بسم الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. We all need to create data warehouse. Here you can build a data warehouse from scratch. Just stay with me and you will learn how to make a data warehouse using ETL and how to build Olab and business intelligence. Let's start from that I have a database in my company. I built it. Its name is medical treatment. Okay, I have some tables. Each table is related with the other, so I can script this table to show the fields of this table like this. I can use this or some fields of this table to build another table in the new database, which is called medical treatment data warehouse. As we see here, first in the data warehouse we have to make dimensions like tables in the relational operational database. First table or first dimension, we will create this dimension or DM tickets. Somehow I have to make a ticket to the employee who need to go to a medical care contractor or medical care hospital doctor. We have to take a ticket from my system. This ticket go to medical care, and the hospital or anyhow get the ticket back to us, which attached with prices. So we have to issue a ticket with a code and then receive the same ticket with the same code from the contract. Like we see, we have a ticket dimension, which we mentioned before, and HR data to get some data about employees. So we have either fact table have to combine the three foreign ID from the three dimension tables that we have seen before. These foreign keys we see. Then we agree that we have three dimension HR data. We can show the diagram. The diagram show us that we have three dimensions joined with fact table with foreign keys. The first dimension, second dimension, and third dimension, period dimension. And the fact table has the primary ID and three foreign keys and measure data. Now we will talk about the second level of building data warehouse, how to get the data from different sources and put this data in the data warehouse which we created before. So we have to get this data and put it to the data warehouse in periods of time. And we have to schedule this time in a specific period. So we have to run this tool from Microsoft Service Integration Service project. So we will create this folder like this. Now we created a new project, Service SQL Server Integration Service. For MT, like this. Okay. Now we started a new project. At the first, we have to make a connection manager to connect to the source database and to connect to the destination database. First connection will be from my medical treatment database, which we mentioned before. Then we press new. Okay, you will write here the name of the server of medical treatment database, and we will choose MT database as the first source of our data warehouse sources. Okay. New connection. Okay. Again. Okay. OLB connection. Okay. The same server. Okay. Have to write the full name of our server, and now we will choose the MTDW or data warehouse database. Test connection. Field. Okay. Okay. We have now two connections, and I try to find the sequence batch to run all my project as a sequence. So we have to select a sequence container, and we will drag and drop data flow task, and we will name it as HR data. So we will have to take another data flow task, and we will name it. We have to join one to another as a sequence, like this. This dimension, every data flow task is consider it as a dimension. Second flow is period, and third flow, this it will be a ticket dimension. I want the flow to be like this, exactly like this. HR first, period, and tickets. And HR from source, and period from another source, and ticket from the third source. Each source has a different type. You will find the first data flow, how to deal with. First, we have to select a source. HR data, I took it from a flat text file source, like this. So it is like you see, it's a text file. Okay, I select this connection with the text file. I see some fields. Okay. Because I have dimension, I select slowly changing dimension to select how to deal with changing of data. I will select data warehouse, which is the destination. So I have the fields of the HR data. I select the primary key. I will select all of attributes. I have three options: fixed, which I'll never change the data. The second type is type 1. I can change the data in the same record if it's change it anytime. Third option, I will add a new record if I have any change. So I'll select the second option. Like this. Okay, next, finish. I'll show a new scene of this data flow like this. I will execute like this. Okay. I have more than 5,000 rows moved from flat text file to the dimension of HR data in the data warehouse. Now we will go to the second flow, the period dimension. I will get the data from the Excel file as a source. I will make a connection, new connection. I will select my text file, which have data about periods of time. Okay, I will load this data, this sheet, which I selected before. I have periods, year, month, quarter, and so on. I will select estimation like we did before, slowly changing dimension. I will select this data warehouse and periods, dimensions. I have to define the primary key. Yes. Okay. Next. Like I did before, I have to select all attributes, and I will select a second option. Okay. Like second option. Next. Finish. Okay. I have to execute. Okay. Yes. I have more than 3,000 rows from Excel to period dimension. Okay, I'm gonna make the third data flow. Tickets dimension. Dimension, yes. I'll get the source from a select statement which I have created before. Okay, because I need the data from a combination of tables from the medical treatment database, not from one table. Okay, I'm gonna select the source, MT database. Okay, from here, I'm gonna select SQL command, and I'm gonna paste select statement. Okay, these are my fields which I want. Okay, I'm gonna make the same thing like I did before. Okay, take it, and okay, I have to take. Yes, I have to map the ID from the source to the ID of the destination. Okay, I'm gonna make the same thing like before and select the second option either. Okay, next, 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 finish. Okay, you will execute and it will take a little bit of time, more time than the other table because I have more rows, more tickets. A lot of tickets will be extracted and transformed and loaded to the data warehouse. Okay, I have more than 200,000 rows from the source to the destination. Okay, I'm gonna make the ETL of fact table. Okay, I'm gonna make the same thing, but I have a little bit of changes. Okay, I'm gonna take the data from the combination of dimensions in the same data warehouse and the measure field or data from the source database of MT database. Okay, but I'm gonna make a SQL command. I have predefined select statement which I created before, but it has a limit. I will not get all the data, but I'll get some of data. I have historical data. I'm gonna get the data from year 2006 to year 2013. Okay, where the dimension period T year less than 2014. Okay, so I wanted to test how to get the data in periods of time. Okay, but I'm gonna make the data incremental, increasing in the table of fact table. So I'll try to get some data. Okay, I'm gonna make the destination normal destination. I'm gonna take fact table. Okay, like this. Okay, okay, I made my source and destination, and I will execute. Okay, no, nothing happened because I have a sequence. So the data flows from 1, 2, 3, 4 steps have to made as a sequence. Okay, I wait for tickets dimension. So the next step will be the fact data. Okay, what happened? Yes, I have 173,000 rows. Not all rows uh, I, I took from the source, but I took the 173,000 rows. Okay, I will modify the select statement and okay, here I'll say get the date that bigger than the max date I have in fact date. Okay, any ticket have a date bigger than or old bigger than the date from the max date from the fact table. I wanna to get from the source to the destination. I have here 59 or 60,000 rows, not all rows, but the new rows which bigger than 2013. I mean, I have to get the rows from 2014, 2015. Okay, okay, I'm gonna create integration service catalog, which is a new database in the edition of SQL Server 2012 and 2014 only, not before that. Okay, I have to make a password. Okay, I have a database created. Here I'm gonna deploy this project to the new catalog database in the SQL Server. Okay, I'll show it the path of the server and the path. I'm gonna create a new folder in this database as a project. I'm gonna name it SSIS MT. Okay, yes, okay, next, deploy. So, gonna back to catalog database. What happened? Yes, I have project. Yes, I have project and a package. Yes, I have my package. So now I can use this package and make a new job in the SQL Server agent to make a schedule to run this job as a period of time, like each day at the night, weekly or daily or monthly or whatever. Okay, I'm gonna make a new job. Or I can make from here, I say script, then I'm gonna name it any name to create a job. It's the easiest way to create a job. Look. Okay, there is nothing here set. Yes, I have a new job. I can handle it and modify it to make my schedule as I need. Steps. Yes, I have a command to execute the package. Schedule. I can make any schedule like I need. Anytime, daily, weekly, monthly. Okay, any period. Okay, any period. Any at any time. Okay. Now I finished the ETL level to get the data from the source to the destination data warehouse. Now I'm gonna make an OLAB or queue from the same tool, Visual Studio shell of the SQL Server 2012. I'm gonna make a new project, analysis service, SQL Server analysis service MT. I'm gonna make a new folder, SS. Okay, I have a new folder. Okay. Okay, I'll gonna make a new connection, but I have a connection which created before in the last project, so I'm gonna use it. Okay, I have to put my input my username and password for these tools. Okay, finish. Okay, I have to test it. Test connection. Test succeeded. Okay. Here I have important to make username and password. Now I'm gonna define my source. Okay, I'm gonna select the dimensions which I will use in this cube. Okay, I'm gonna select all except diagram. Okay, next, finish. Now I have the same diagram like the data warehouse. Okay, now I'm gonna create each dimension from the beginning. I'm gonna create a variable. Next. Okay. I'm gonna select all the attributes. Yes. Finish. Now I have to process this step. Yes. Oh, there. Run. Okay. Close. Close. New dimension. Yes. Gonna select HR data. Next, like before, I'm gonna select all attributes. Finish. Now I'll make a process and run. Okay. Close. Close. Okay. Third dimension. Tickets. Yes. All attributes. Next. Finish. Okay. Process. Yes. Now run. Will take a little bit more time. Okay. Close. Close. Yes. Now we are gonna create the cube. Cube built on the fact table. We're gonna select the fact table. Next. Next. Finish. Okay. Process. Run. Okay. Close. Close. Now I completed the OLAB. Just I have to execute. Execute this project. Okay. This window means that I succeeded to make the cube or OLAB. I'm now ready to make a business intelligence BI for this OLAB. Okay, I have to check the analysis engine. Now I have, yes, I have all. Okay, like this. I can make business intelligence here in the project, or I can use the Microsoft tool, which is specific and make specific business intelligence more efficient, more good design. This tool name report builder, report builder 3 for Microsoft SQL Server. I can make analysis, analytics, business intelligence in these tools built on OLAB, which I created before. We have to create a new connection, new. Now I'm gonna build the connection, but connect to analysis service, not SQL service. I have to write the server name. Okay, select the new queue, which I made before. Okay, next. Okay, yes, I have my cube. Okay, I'm gonna take measure fact, which co-sharehold net, the cost of company for the medical treatment. for each employee. I'm gonna take code. I'm gonna take the code of each employee, so I can count the code of the employees, count the number of employees which quarter. Yes, I have code, year, quarter, months, and co-shareholder. Each kind, which the medical care is a personal or for the employee family, personal care or family care. Okay, I'm gonna take the treat kind for column groups and the column code sharehold net for values and code for values. Okay, count of code. Yes, year for row groups and quarter for row groups. So I can take a month out. Next. Okay. And yes, I have count distinct code and yes, I have to sum code shareholder. Okay, like this, as simple as a piece of cake, we have created a design, full design of a business intelligence. Okay, I'm gonna run to see the first time I run the query. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of time. Okay, I have to wait. Okay, like I see there, I have medical, personal care and family care years from 2006 to 2015. Co-sharehold net, number of users of employees which beneficiary of the co-sharehold net. We are gonna make enhancement in Arabic language because the data in the database is Arabic. So I made enhancement and I'm gonna put a chart in the same report. Now I'm gonna take family or personal. Okay, co-sharehold cost of the company, year. So I'm gonna make a chart. Take from the style ready made, or you can customize your style later. Okay. Like you see, I made a chart side by side in the same record, in the same report with the table, matrix table. I'm gonna change the right, yes, make modification of labels, degree, okay, 25. I have two lines, personal care and family care cost. This chart shows the cost of the company on all years for the family care and personal care. Personal mean employee care and his family care. Next. I'll make yes, I'm gonna use code instead of code shareholder name. So read kind, year, code as count distinct. Yes, next, file, finish. Yes, okay, yeah, sure, type, yes, as a 3D, gonna handle the size as a piece of cake. You can do this as as easy as you can. Okay, I'm gonna wait for whiteboard, which have a matrix of table of data, pivoting, slice and dice. Yes, I can. Yes, year, a quarter, month, cost of year, company for family, number of user, number of employees, cost of company for personal, number of years total. You can drill down quarter, month. I have a cost and number of employees. Okay, I can see a chart. I have an orange line for personal and a blue line for family cost. Cost. You can see the curve. Okay, I can see in blue the personal and in other line as a family as a count of users or employees. So we have finished to make a whole system of data warehouse and OLAB and